Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the link preview feature in Google Chrome. This hidden feature lets you preview where a link points without actually clicking it. Instead of opening the page, Chrome will display a small pop-up thumbnail with the web page's contents. It's a great tool for quickly checking out linked pages. Google has been working on the link preview feature since Chrome version 124, but it's still hidden by default in the browser. Even though it's available in the stable version of Chrome, you'll need to enable it manually. So if you want to try this feature out, follow the steps below. First, open a new tab in Google Chrome and type Chrome:/flags in the URL box. Press Enter. Next, on the page that opens, type Link Preview in the search box. Then find the Link Preview flag in the list and select Enabled from the drop-down menu on the right. You'll also see a few alternative activation options such as Enabled Alt plus Click, Enabled Alt plus Hover, and Enabled Long Press. These options define how you'll open the preview window. Afterward, relaunch your browser when prompted to apply the changes. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled the link preview feature. Now you can preview links based on the option you selected earlier. Enabled Alt plus Hover. Hover over the link while holding down the Alt key. Enabled Alt plus Click. Left-click the link while holding down the Alt key. Enabled Long Press. Hold down the left mouse button after clicking the link. Finally, you can also right-click on any link and select Preview Link from the context menu to open the preview.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.